Automating deep learning model design, the future of NAS. Recent advances in algorithms and neural networks let us automate the design of deep learning models. Deep reinforcement learning, evolutionary algorithms, and automated model selection are here. Evolution of NAS technologies. Neural Architecture Search, NAS, leads in automated AI design. It uses custom algorithms for precise model design. By utilizing genetic algorithms, meta-learning, and neural architecture optimization, NAS technologies are reshaping the landscape of machine learning. Future prospects of AI automation. What does the future hold for automated deep learning model design? Smart neural architecture is here. NAS technologies will revolutionize AI research. AI-driven development is full of possibilities. The power of AI automation. AI automation is transforming industries. It streamlines repetitive tasks, improves efficiency, and reduces human error. By using machine learning and AI, businesses can automate complex tasks, taking AI to the next level. Next-gen NAS technologies are changing AI research. They do this through adaptive model selection and workflow automation. Optimizing ML tasks and automating tests can unlock smart model design's full potential. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of AI lies in the hands of automated deep learning model design.